Happy New Year from the Launchpad. With the new year of 2022 on the horizon, are NFTs on track to be bigger than Bitcoin? Let's start the countdown and find out. Welcome back to the InvestorPlace Launchpad, where we take a look at trending investment ideas and try to rocket them to the moon. I'm Head of Mission Control Aaron Davis, and this week we're diving back into the world of NFTs to see how far non-fungible tokens have come towards the end of 2021 and where they may take us in 2022. As always, before we dive in, we'd love to continue to grow our channel here at InvestorPlace, so feel free to hit that like and subscribe button and smash that notification bell to stay up to date with us here at the Launchpad. With all of that out of the way, let's see if 2022 is the year of NFTs. We've covered NFTs on the Launchpad before, but to quickly recap for anyone unfamiliar with the term, NFT stands for non-fungible token. Lyle Solomon, a principal attorney at Oakview Law Group, describes NFTs as essentially something that is one of a kind or cannot be replaced. NFTs remain unique in that they are unique. The tokenization of something that is non-fungible is essentially a digital certificate held on the blockchain, meaning when you buy an NFT, a unique one-of-a-kind asset, you are also purchasing a tamper-proof digital receipt of said asset. While it may be hard for some to wrap their head around digital assets being bought and sold for staggering prices in the millions, it's important to remember that this is the value that buyers are putting on these NFTs, much like collectors of physical assets do with collectibles like baseball cards. Scarcity is what drives price, and once again, non-fungible means one of a kind. As NFTs enter the cultural zeitgeist, many industries are attempting to capitalize and hop on the NFT bandwagon. Samsung announced what they are calling an NFT aggregation platform for their smart TVs, which will allow users to browse and buy NFTs directly from their sets, as well as a way for owners of NFTs to showcase their collections. EV maker Fisker announced a series of NFTs to be auctioned off in order to help bolster the company, as its stock fell 20% towards the end of the year. The NFTs are digital art of hand-drawn sketches of founder and chief designer Henrik Fisker's original sketches of his electric vehicle vision of the Ocean SUV, expected to launch by the end of 2022. Finally, while NFTs have been most closely associated with digital art, Brooklyn-based rapper and art curator Arts has been curating a unique collection that merges art and music together, showcasing how, quote, artists can create with one another through different mediums. For example, one NFT titled Earth Q Woke combined Arts' song The Purple Suit with a painting of Frederick Douglass by J.J. Weinberg. These examples showcase just a few of the innovative ways both artists and industries have begun to capitalize on the NFT craze. Lastly, as NFTs continue to overlap with cryptocurrency, NFT marketplaces have started to rise. These hubs provide an online space where buyers and sellers can connect to trade unique crypto collections. OpenSea, Axie Infinity, CryptoPunks, Blocktobay, and NBA Top Shot are 5 of the top marketplaces discussed by InvestorPlace writer William White over at InvestorPlace.com. White's top pick, OpenSea, supports both an Ethereum and Polygon-based NFTs with an average price of $919.78 for NFTs sold on the marketplace. The marketplace has seen over 34,000 traders utilizing the service, with a volume of trading at around $57.9 million. For more details on some of White's other top marketplace picks, head on over to InvestorPlace.com to see details on these other picks. NFTs are certainly becoming increasingly the newest way to invest and showcase one's investments in a digital space. But what do you think? Are NFTs a reflection of value of collectors? Is there a line between art and profit? And what's next for NFTs? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, that's all we have from the Launchpad this week. If you'd like more insights like this and more details on some of the NFT marketplaces we talked about, head on over to InvestorPlace.com, where we release articles daily. And as always, check back with us here at the Launchpad, where we will continue to look for trends like NFTs. And as always, try to shoot for the moon.